Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. This video is not going to be like my other videos, so if you want to place it in the background while you do dishes or do laundry, feel free and just listen along. Here you go. Ever found yourself saying yes when you really wanted to say no? Maybe a friend asked for a favor, a colleague dumped extra work on you, or a family member expected more than you can give. You wanted to decline, but the guilt kicked in. Sound familiar? Saying no isn't about being selfish. It's about protecting your time, energy, and mental well-being. And if you struggle with that, this video is for you. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Why it's so hard to say no. 2. The consequences of always saying yes. 3. Practical ways to say no without guilt. Let's get into it. Saying no is an essential skill for protecting your well-being, and you can do it without guilt. Point 1. Why saying no is hard. Before we talk about how to say no, let's understand why it feels so difficult. 1. Fear of judgment. You don't want to seem as selfish, unhelpful, or difficult. Society often conditions us to be agreeable. 2. Guilt and obligation, especially with family and close friends. Saying no feels like letting someone down. 3. People pleasing. Some of us are wired to keep the peace even at our own expense. An example, at work, your boss asks you to take on an extra project when you're already overwhelmed. You feel pressured to say yes, even though it will burn you out. Point 2. The consequences of always saying yes. Saying yes too often has consequences. Number 1, burnt out and exhaustion. Overcoming leaves you drained, affecting your health and happiness. Number 2, resentment and frustration. You start feeling taken advantage of, which damages relationships. 3. Loss of control. Your time and energy become dictated by others, leaving no room for your own priorities. An example, a friend always asks for favors but never reciprocates. Over time, you start resenting them because you feel used. Point 3. How to say no without feeling guilty. Here's how to set boundaries without the guilt trip. Number 1, be direct but polite. You don't owe a long explanation. A simple, I can't commit to this right now is enough. Number 2, offer an alternative if you want to. If appropriate, suggest another way to help. Number 3, use I statements. Focus on your needs. I don't have the bandwidth for this instead of I just don't want to. An example, a coworker asks you to cover for them last minute. Instead of making excuses, you can say, I have too much on my plate right now, I can't. And final takeaways, saying no doesn't mean you're selfish. It means you have respect for yourself. When you protect your time and energy, you show up as a better friend, employee, and person. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more content on setting boundaries and building confidence. And let me know in the comments, what's the hardest situation that you've had to say no to? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next Monday.